Did you know that over 92% of blogs and websites on the internet have at least two images? The fact is, images capture the attention of your visitors and they make your website look more appealing. But here's the biggest problem that WordPress has never fixed. The image features in WordPress are terrible, absolutely terrible. I have no words to describe how dated and useless they are. We are in 2015, for God's sake. That's why Ankur, Jay, and Raul decided to fix this problem for everyone that uses WordPress. They created something that millions of WordPress users want and will change the way millions of sites that run on WordPress will work. They've created what I call the Photoshop for WordPress, and they've named it CanaKala. Yes, it's a complete image editing suite built right inside your WordPress site that will allow you to create magic with your WordPress site and capture your audience like no other. Never again will you have to fire up any image editing software to make changes to photos and graphics for use on your site. Let me show you how it works. Once you install and activate this plugin like any normal plugin, it will add an option to launch the software right in your post editor inside WordPress. After launching CanaKala, you will search for over 2 million images that you can use for free on your site in any niche that you want. Not just that, you will have a complete Photoshop-like software added right to your site to edit and enhance the images you get. Let me find an image and show you the power of this bad boy. A quick search reveals almost 2 million images in this niche from 4 different sources, and you can filter the results in any way you want. After selecting the image, you can SEO optimize it right here. And when you click the Edit button, it will launch the image editor, which is the most powerful feature of this software. Trust me, you've never seen anything like this ever before. You can simply crop or resize the image to any size you want. Next, you can add some special effects to the image, just like those amazing filters inside Instagram as an example. You can make your image stand out. Take it one step further and you could add hundreds of effects just like Photoshop and make your image even more awesome. You can add borders of any color instantly. You can add text anywhere on the image and pick from hundreds of amazing fonts to use. Not only text, but you can also add any image. That's right, any one you want on top of your existing image, just like Photoshop. You could search from a library of thousands of images or add your own. It's that simple. What's crazy is you can even add shapes to your images or draw freehand just like any other image software you've seen. And I've saved the best for last. It's got layers, exactly like Photoshop, so you can move any element to the top or bottom or anywhere you want on the image. This is something that has never been done before and is missing for every WordPress site on the planet. Imagine never having to open your image editor to enhance or tweak your image. Now you could just upload it to your site and do it right there in seconds. CanaKala will change the way WordPress sites manage images, and you could get your hands on this at the early bird price today. We will be selling hundreds of thousands of copies across the world at a much higher price, but only today. You have the exclusive opportunity to get your hands on this must-have WordPress plugin that every WordPress site on the planet needs. Photoshop for WordPress is here, so to speak, and it can be yours for an extremely discounted price right now. All you have to do now is download your copy by clicking the button below before the price goes up any further.